Chris Menard here. We are in Copilot Wave 2. It came out in October 2024. I'm using Copilot in Excel. I want to do a little bit of conditional formatting. Let's see what's new here and see if it'll handle this. Notice that the Copilot icon no longer says preview. That is part of Wave 2. What I want to do is take these car brands in column B, and I want to make two car brands one color. That would be Honda and Mazda, the same color, and also make Ford and Toyota another color. I don't care what the colors are, but I need these grouped together. So let's go ahead and just click on Copilot. Without me having to type, let's just do a copy and paste and send it. What is interesting about this is I used to always have to reference the column, either column B or the field, which is brand, but I didn't in the prompt box. If you look up top here, I just said make Honda and Mazda one color, Ford and Toyota another color. I didn't mention the word brand or column B. I do have 2005 rows of data, by the way, and it has already let me do it. Notice this, Honda is going to be green, and so is Mazda, and then I've got a reddish color here. Hit apply, and it worked. In case you're wondering, why would you want to do that? Let's say that I need to quickly filter or sort by Honda and Mazda. I can right-click, filter, and filter by the cells color. I could also sort these. I could also do this with Copilot, by the way. If I wanted to filter or sort, I could use Copilot for that. Let's do another exercise, very similar to the same one I just did over here. So let me just close this, click in here. This time, though, I am specifying the colors that I want to use. I'm going to use a green background and an orange background. I misspelled orange. That was intentional. So let's go to Copilot, paste this, Control V. There's the prompt down below, and there is the answer, green, orange. That looks good. Hit apply, and successful again. And again, I didn't have to reference column B or the brand. Copilot is getting really smart. I recently did an X lookup with Copilot, and it worked great. Appreciate your time. My online training classes are listed down below. Have a wonderful day.